Here's a technique for finding out the percent of something. So in this particular question it says, out of 243 people, 87 are left-handed. What percent of people are right-handed? So what we're given here is a total number of people and then a certain amount who are left-handed. What we're looking for are the right-handed people. We don't have that number. We have the left-handed, but lucky for us we can find it because there's only two types of people, left-handed or right-handed. Of course, we're not going to count the people who can use both hands and ambidextrous people. We're going to count just left and right-handed people. So here's the question we're asking ourselves. 87 out of 243. This is how many people if we had only 100 people. So 87 over 243 is similar to how many people out of 100. This is called a proportion. And we're going to solve this using cross multiplication. We cross multiply by bringing the bottom number over here above the equal sign up next to the 87 and we multiply. So what we get is 87 times 100 divided by 243 equals our question mark. There used to be a 100 in the bottom here, but it moved over, so I'm going to erase it. It moved over. Now let's take out the calculator and find out what 87 times 100 divided by 243 is. So the calculator, 87 times 100 divided by 243 equals 35.8. So let's write that down. This is equal to 35.8%. Why percent? Because this is the question mark. This number here, 35.8. This is the value of our question mark. And what's our question mark? Well, our question mark is a quantity over 100. So this answer here, this value, 35.8, is a percent. It's out of 100. But this is the left-handed people. These are left-handed. Left hand. And our question wants the right-handed people. So if 35.8% of the people are left-handed and 100% is everybody, then to find out the other people who are leftovers, you take everybody, 100%. You take 100% of the people, you remove the left-handed people, you take away the left-handed people, that's minus 35.8%. So if you subtract the left-handed people, whatever's left over must be the right-handed people. So let's get our calculator again. Let's take out the calculator and let's do 100%, 100% minus 35.8% equals 64.2%. So this gives me 64.2%. So how many right-handed people are there? 64.2% right hand. This is one of a few ways of doing this. You can also solve this problem in a different way. Let me show you how we can also solve this problem. Let me shrink this. Shrink it and let's move it to the side. And now let's see if there's maybe another faster way of solving this. I'm going to solve this in orange. So we said that there are 243 people altogether. It's right here. And that 87 of them are left-handed. Well, from that, we can find out how many are right-handed right away by doing 243 people in total and then take away the 87 left-handed people. 3 and 7 you can't, you borrow, that's 13. That gives you 6. 3 and 8 you can't, you borrow again, 13. 8 and 13, that's 5, 1. There's 156 right-handed people. Right hand, RH. So if there's 156 right-handed people out of 243 people, this is similar to how many people out of 100. Again, this is a proportion. We can solve this by cross-multiplying. We're going to bring this 100 up and above, across the equal sign, and we're going to multiply it to 156. So 156 times 100 over 243 gives us our question mark. Gives us whatever's left over on that side that didn't move. So let's take the calculator, and now let's do this. 156 times 100 divided by 243. That's 64.19, which I'm going to round to 64.2. So this gives 64.2. But what is this number? This number is the question mark, and our question mark is on top of 100, so it's out of 100. So this is 64.2 out of 100, so it's percent, 64.2%. But this agrees with what we found in the other method. It's exactly the same amount as in the other method. So we found another technique for solving this problem and getting a percent.